Hi, I'm Renard and I'd like to introduce you to the AC360 semi-automation acid cleaner. It sets itself apart for its efficiency, reliability, and ease of use. The chassis is welded with polypropylene boards offering strong corrosion resistance. Additionally, polypropylene material does not release metal elements into the lab, maintaining a low background for trace element analysis. The cleaning chamber is made of high-purity PTFE or Teflon, offering enhanced durability and versatility. The upper opening method and reliable thread seal prevent any acid vapor leaking. The cleaning chamber is an integrated unibody with seamless construction, ensuring no dead corners and no cracking. It withstands decades of simultaneous exposure to hot acid and high temperatures. Accurate measurement is crucial for precise control. Amerlab's Teflon-treated sensor directly monitors the actual acid temperature in real time, which ensures an ideal subboiling condition. However, traditional cleaners only monitor the heater's temperature. This results in less accuracy of the measuring, less control of the acid temperature, and lower purity of the acid vapor. The AC360 semi-automation model features dual pump systems to prevent contamination. The first step is filling with pure acid. The pressure pump pushes filtered air into the clean acid bottle, pressurizing it to dispense acid into the reservoir. This operation prevents the pump and tubes from directly contacting the acid, avoiding contamination. The second step is to start the unit to clean the vessels with acid vapor. Ultra-pure acid vapor is gently generated in a subboiling state. The system automatically stops once the timer expires. After the acid cleaning step, you can take the vessels out and rinse them manually. Alternatively, you can let the AC360 semi-automation handle it. To do so, first, drain the residual acid. The second pump draws the acid from the heating reservoir by vacuuming it into the used acid bottle. This operation prevents the pump and tubes from directly contacting the acid, avoiding contamination and protecting the pump from the hot acid. Simply replace the acid with water, then restart the system for a rinse process. Our racks are interchangeable and easy to load, accommodating a wide range of vessels from 5 milliliters volumetric flasks to 2-liter beakers. Unlike typical solid rods, Amerlab's unique hollow steam pipe guides maximal steam. Its spray reaches the inner vessel through a jet hole, ensuring thorough cleaning. Small items can be cleaned on the top tray. For any acid steam cleaning system, the waste acid vapor originates from 3 potential sources. Let's break it down. Source 1. The gap between the cleaning chamber lid and the chamber body. Amerlab uses reliable threads to seal the lid and body, preventing any acid vapor leakage. Source 2. The ventilated acid gas generated during the cleaning process. This is the primary source. AC360 collects and cools 99% of the ventilated gas. Only very little amount of acid gas is exhausted, significantly reducing the load on the lab ventilation system. Source 3. Residual acid vapor when the lid is opened. To resolve this issue, a hood equipped with a powerful yet quiet ventilation fan is provided. For long-term heating equipment, heaters are consistently problematic. Amerlab utilizes PTC heating technology, completely resolving this issue. In the unlikely event of a complete failure of all temperature control systems, the heater inherently and autonomously regulates the maximum temperature, ensuring it does not exceed 482 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 C. This preventive measure effectively mitigates the risk of damage and fire hazards. Setting the temperature and time is very straightforward. The AC360 semi-system marks a milestone in acid steam cleaning, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning at an affordable price, setting a new industry standard. Thanks for watching this presentation of the AC360 semi-automation.